just like that. Come my way, just my shit. That's
Hey YouTube, you know we back with another video. Today we playing Tornado Alley. Is that what they call Tony? So subscribe, comment below. Shut up, Tony. We back with another video. Subscribe, like, comment below. I'm about to enter the map. Where is it? Oh snap! Let me go. Oh Tony, they got the favorite house with the basement in it. Guys, this is Tornado Alley with the different types of tornadoes. And there'll be tsunamis and meteors out. They messed it up. They covered it up. They can't get out, Tony. They took the whole floor away. Guys, this was the basement. It's gone. Hurricane. Oh my god. Where are we gonna get high at? I thought a hurricane was just rain. A hurricane is just rain or a wave. I don't know because hurricanes just rain, I thought. But oh my god, this is a hurricane. Let me tear it down. Well, do y'all stay? Sorry, the whole roof fell down. 5. Category 5, guys. They took the whole wall away. I probably won't make it because it better be 6. I can't run through this. People getting blown away. People getting blown away. Oh my god. How? Oh. People getting... Tony, get over here. Oh! So there's dead people in here. But he gone now. Category 3. 2. Does that thing about to end now? God, this joint was scary. It's done? It's all safe?
He survived. Well, so you told me you never died.
I passed the alley. I got a badge. God, y'all should play this. How was y'all day? I hope y'all having a nice day. See, Tony, I could have been up here. I thought it was tsunami. I'm about to break my legs. Watch this. Oh, Tony.
You broke your legs?
Yes, I'm limping. Did I survive? How did I die?
No.
Shut up. Shut up. How did I die? No, I did not. Like, I don't know how I died. 64. They stay talking. I want to be talking to people in the group chat now. It was falling from behind.
There's 99 people talking for me.
Tell me which one. No, I want to play Island Village. Farm.
Farmer again.
Like, no. At 6. Y'all really got the audacity to pick. And now you can't even change it.
Far. You're all basic.
They are really freaking basic. At least this one with the basement. Mother Nature. Cause y'all want to do that. A mega. Yeah, I'm going to basement, Tony. Cause they have a bunker, but you gotta find a key. But I'm not gonna, cause I'm about to be gonna sleep soon. I need to hurry up with this video. This will probably be the last part.
Someone said, we are American. What the?
Y'all being racist of you.
What does America have to do with anything?
Okay, guys, I'm going down the basement because
Bro,
I don't know.
bro, couldn't answer my question. What does America have to do with anything?
Y'all,
Well, America has nothing to do with anything.
I don't know.
We are American.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be staying in the basement. I'll be coming back.
That's really American basic.
Deuces. Cause I'll be going to sleep soon.
I have my leg up.
I'm never gonna end the video.
I broke my leg.
Cause I stayed up all night.
I broke my leg.
And I'm about to be going to sleep early cause I'm about to be busy.
Mama, I need your help.
No.
You have to protect me.
Then come over here.
Right.
I'm in the house with a basement.
The White House?
Mm-hmm.
I can't walk all over here.
Better run.
I can't run, my legs broken.
Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh, what is this guy? Oh my god. But guys, there's a bunker, but you gotta find a key for it. And they're gonna be, there are keys around it. I'm about to look outside for you. Oh, 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 oh my god. Oh my Tona, I'm paralyzed. Yes. No, I came upside. I came up the lane. And it just sucked at me up. I don't know about a battery stack. Okay, guys. Oh, snap. Tony, the basement is destroyed. That ain't coming my way, guys. That ain't coming my way. Oh, I'm about to... Oh my god. Tony, they destroyed the basement. You don't know there's gonna be a tsunami or hurricane. It's probably gonna be a meteor shower. I died. Now I gotta find a key for our bunker. But guys, there's a bunker over there by that tree right there. Okay, guys, I'm probably gonna sleep.
Play me like a dummy, like.
I'm probably gonna sleep soon. No, I'm about to leave soon. I ain't trying to stay up for the whole day. I think we're doing something special.
I see one. Turn left.
Guys, I got a key. I got a key, Tony. I can't. Sorry. Okay, guys, I found the key. Y'all see this? This is the bunker.
You got the bunker?
Mm-hmm.
You got the bunker and the key?
Mm.
You ain't good.
What's wrong?
God
Someone else in here. What's up? What's up? Oh, you got a key too. Dang, 30 people in the bunker. Okay, guys, but subscribe, like, comment below. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe, like, comment below. More better content than this. Bye.
I'm not scared like